Hello guys, and welcome back to an Office Makeover Monday. Today we're going to be talking about how to create a Moody home office makeover for two. This is great for anyone who needs to share a room when you only have space for one office, but multiple people need to use the room basically. So first we're going to start out with the color of your choice. I'm starting out with a navy blue wall. That, gives you that really moody and dark look. And, you would want to paint your walls first, of course, prime paint, and let that dry thoroughly before placing anything on that wall or placing any furniture up against that wall. Okay, I've already downloaded, the things that I might need. So first thing I'm going to start with is I started with a black desk, so let's see how that translates out. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to edit that, remove that background. Now what I hate about this is that when I copied it, to me it seems like this is backwards, so please forgive me for that, guys, okay? So we are going to be putting this in our standard space. And we are going to make a duplicate of that. And you see, as you can see with that, we're making two separate office spaces. I am going to flip this one. Don't know if that made any difference, but nope, not really, but that's okay. Okay, now what we're also going to do is add a wonderful, what will we call that? Whiteboard for each office space. So we're going to fit that. That way each individual person has a place to write their daily notes. They don't have to share a board or anything like that. Okay. My next idea would be to implement shelving into that space. Okay, and right now what we're going to do is again remove that background. You want to have somewhere where both of you have access to all of your tools, books, or anything that you use on a daily basis. You want it to be reachable, I guess you can say, more or less. Okay, so I am going to put this in, and since we only have the front wall, I am going to cut that off. Let's see, this might not work now that I'm looking at it. Yeah, so we're going to have to source something else because that is definitely not working. Okay. I don't think I uploaded a monitor, but I think I do have I do have this one from last time, so we'll just use it as a monitor. So what we're going to do first is remove the background off of it and edit that, and then let's edit again and do a crop, and we are going to crop this one. And we're done cropping, but I really think we need to edit a little bit more with the magic eraser. See all that right there? We don't need that. So let's get rid of that. This might not be the best erasing job, guys, but bear with me. Okay, we are doing this in real time, and I do believe, let's get rid of this also. I do believe I am having a little bit of internet connection problems. I've been having them since I've been working this morning, which is quite frustrating, but what can you do? Work with what you have. Okay, I think this should do it. Okay. So let's go back to edit. That's good enough. for right now. We are going to put our monitors here, double, and put one here. Now since I am putting the monitors there, I am going to raise the boards up a little bit higher so that they are not completely blocked by the monitors. Okay, now we're also going to add seating, and let's do another background removal. Okay, and let's edit again and let's crop it. We only really need this one. Done. Perfect. And we're going to put that here. Okay. And we need a duplicated one. Now guys, we do this just to let you know or see if you are designing a space and you want to see how things would look, if you wanted to implement certain things into your room before you purchase it. This is a great way to do it by going into Canva, just finding objects, your supplies, your furniture pieces, your accessories, and everything from Amazon's store, and just seeing how it would look. Okay, now I would love to have, let's say that we have let's see, I'm not sure if I have any more resources. It seems like I would love to have maybe, like, I don't know, it's like something missing here. But this is the great thing about it, is that you can create the spaces that you want to create before you start buying product. You can see how they look in your space. You can actually take an actual picture of your room, upload it to Canva, and then put it on screen and then add the furniture in. It's just going to be a 2D effect, but it will give you an idea of how it would look. Even if you want to change the colors of the wall, let's see how this would look good with a green wall, still keeping it in the Moody color. Let's check it out with a dark gray wall, which I also like, and this is a darker wall, more of a grayish wall with brown undertones. This here goes really nice with the desk as well. You can also, if you didn't want a dark room, you wanted to lighten the room up a little bit, look at all the different colors and how it would look. This gives you that opportunity to even test the colors, and you can get colors as close to the color that you're seeing on the screen at Home Depot or Lowe's or anything like that, to see what kind of colors will really match your room. And then we go back to the navy blue. So you see that, guys? Like I said, you can test any colors that you like just to see how they will come out. And I think that that is great for those who just want to try it just to see. Okay, guys, just a quick overview. If you would like any of these items, I do have the links in the description box below, and wanted to try it. Take a picture of your room, upload it to Canva, and design it to see how you would want it to look before you make any purchases. Okay, thank you so much for stopping by today, guys. I'll see you on the next video, and until next time, Il Voto Relay. Guys, again, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to check out my home office productivity guide as well as bonus planner. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, Il Voto Relay. See you on the next video.